Welcome to Wreckreation. Wreckreation is the home of your very own mix world, a 400 square kilometer island that is yours to explore, shape, and adapt. A place for you and your friends to meet, to compete, and to create. Ready for your first Wreckreation race? Good, you're in it. Hold the right trigger to accelerate. Go for it. Go ahead and earn some boost by driving dangerously, drifting and hitting those loops and jumps. You can get even more by taking down the other racers with a well-timed slam or shunt. The more boost you earn, the faster you can go. Oh, nice job! You just completed your first Wreckreation race. Every time you complete an event, you'll earn points for your driver's license. The more points you earn, the more you'll unlock. Look out for event and discovery icons appearing when you drive. Event icons will lead you to new events. Discovery icons unlock live mix pieces. Go see if you can find one in the stunt playground. Am I right? There are 3 different types of Wreckreation billboards to break. That was an ad break. You can smash these easily just by launching your car through them. This is a reckoning. It's you against the clock. Beat the target time to win a faster version of this car. You've won the Drag King upgrade to the Solomon-Hirsch Headbanger. More power, more speed. Get it out of the parking lot now. Welcome to Live Mix. Use the DJ menu to see which Live Mix pieces you've unlocked, and follow the on-screen instructions to place, rotate, and modify the pieces. Why not start by putting down a ramp and a hoop?